Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix low microphone volume on Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in Windows. So the first thing that we need to do in order to solve this problem is going to Start menu. And from here, we're going to type sound and go into sound settings in our system settings. So click on it. So from here, you can see the input right here. So this is where you would want to put your attention because we're only concerned about the input, which is our microphone. So from here, you want to make sure that you choose your input device correctly. So in my case, it will be HyperX Solocast, which is my microphone. This will be the default one. And yeah, so make sure you select the correct one right here and test your microphone right here. You can see if it's working. Right here, you can see the levels. As you can see, as I am talking, it's currently being, it's moving right here based on my sound that I am making. And yeah, you can see it right here. And now if you want to adjust the volume because it's too low for you, then I suggest that you click here on sound control panel. Click on it right here. Or you could also go here in the search menu and from here sound control panel. And you can also do it right here on the control panel right here, and you can access it right here if you can find it right here. So once you are here in the sound control panel, you want to click here on sounds and recordings, and you can see the microphones right here. And as you can see, here's my HyperX Solocast, and make sure to set this as default if this is the one that you regularly use, so that it would automatically be set as your microphone each time you open an app which requires your microphone or uses it. So yeah, it's really useful if you set this as default. And now to make this higher in volume, then you can go double click, and from here you can click on levels and make sure that your microphone is not all the way right here. Make sure it's all the way right here. Then what I recommend is 80, which is was set right here. And you can also make sure that this button is not clicked, it's not disabled. So make sure that your button is similar to mine, which is like this one. It doesn't have any warning signs right there. So yeah, make sure that it's not disabled right here. And once you're all good, then you can go and click apply and okay. But if you can also go here into the advanced. By the way, if you're having some error, then you can go set this into the highest frequency and to channel 16-bit. And as you can see, mine is DVD quality right here, and you can go click apply and then okay right there. And after that, you can click on OK right here, and you should see that your microphone is now on higher volume levels. Or if you're still finding error, then it might be because you're using it in an app and your app settings is on low volume. So for example, I am using Discord right here. So on Discord right here, because most apps would let you customize the volume of your microphone. So your sensitivity of your microphone, you can customize it mostly in apps. So you might want to go into your settings of your apps, and then you want to go into the voice and video, and right here you can set the input volume right here. This is what I'm talking about. So make sure that it's all the way to the 100% right here, so that you would have it on high volume for your microphone. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.